Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare not verifying. Fix verification. Keep failing. If Cloudflare verification keeps failing in your browser, one common cause is old or corrupted browsing data. In this walkthrough, we'll clear that data so the verification page can load fresh and work properly. This is a simple fix and usually only takes a moment. To begin, open your browser. Make sure you're using the same browser where the Cloudflare verification issue is happening. That way you're clearing the stored data connected to the problem. Once the browser is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to the browser's settings and tools, including the option to remove stored browsing data. After opening the menu, look for the option to delete browsing data and click on it. Depending on your browser version, this may also appear as clear browsing data. This section lets you remove cached files, cookies, and other saved information that may be interfering with Cloudflare's verification checks. When the delete browsing window appears, find the time range setting and change it to all time. This is important because limiting the time range may leave behind older files or cookies that are still causing the issue. Choosing all time ensures the browser fully clears the data that could be affecting the verification process. Next, click Delete to confirm. The browser will begin removing the selected browsing data. This may take a few seconds, especially if a large amount of data has built up over time. While this process is running, it's best not to close the browser. Once the deletion is complete, try reloading the Cloudflare page or revisiting the website where verification was failing. In many cases, Cloudflare will now verify correctly because the browser is no longer relying on outdated or conflicting stored files. As a quick tip, after clearing browsing data, some websites may sign you out, so you may need to log back into certain services afterward. That's normal and expected. If the issue still continues after this, you can repeat the process carefully to make sure all time was selected and the delete action fully completed. But in most cases, clearing browsing data resolves this kind of Cloudflare verification problem. That's it for this guide. You've now gone through the main browser cleanup step to help fix Cloudflare not verifying and repeated verification failures.